good.
Hey, it's looking great.
Right, here we are, on the coast to coast. Cycle for Ceci. Here's the motley crew here at the starting line. Yeah! Oh yeah, they all look confused, ready for it. The next stop is Pelton. We'll see you there. Hey!
That's a body shop.
Body shop? No body shops around here. Hey guys. Made it fine. Apart from these two. Easy.
Everywhere.
Ready to go.
Adios, amigo.
I'll see you in the next place.
See you in a bit, man.
Have fun. Next time you fall off, do it in front of the camera, will you?
I'll try and save it for you, mate.
It's an hard life, but someone's got to do it, eh?
Nearly there.
See you later, guys. So, there they go down the road. They've left me on my own again, driving the van. But I've got a bit of a friend. And the boys are back. Just as I come out of the charity shop to unload my gear.
You right? Contemplating, right? Go again.
And we go.
See you, Michael.
See you in a couple of hours again, guys. I'm going to go and get a McFlurry. Keep me going.
You knows it, boyo.
Well, the boys are working hard en route out there. I am as well. Got a coffee. Hard work this. Travelling around. And what appears to be the tiniest apple pie. I'm sure these used to be big. But it'll keep you warm. Right. I'll see you down the road. The smaller apple pies, but they're not. They're still hot. Lava. So if you're wondering what they're travelling in the hills and terrain, I've just pulled over. So have a look at that. Pure silence. If you can hear in the background, you might have a couple of sheeps. Oh, it's nice though. Look at that. But it's bleak up here in winter. Where the type of roads are going down. So thought I'd show you the update. You never know, I might pass them, or they might pass me. But it's nice. It's nice. Not much here though. But it's nice. Birds are tweeting. Tiny shop on the corner here, which I think is shut. That pub there is closed down. But I'll tell you what I'll do for you guys. I'll go and test out these toilets. While the boys are busy, I'm here waiting for them. I've got my little toy I picked up. Let's have a look at this. Boys and the toys here, I've got to keep myself entertained. I've got no internet bloody signal up here. And this is what a bike ride does to you. Yeah. All broken men.
Yeah, you win it.
I'm doing the hard stuff.
How's your apple pie at those, mate?
It was hot. Here they are, the boys. Yeah. Hey!
Well, mate. It's just Jim and Dave at the front.
Go round, go round.
this, me, I'm
We're going to get something to eat and we're going to bed. Night night. See you in the morning.
Things seem better days here, innit?
So shh, shh. Don't wake anywhere up here.
I know.
Silence. Having a trek to a local boozer in Alston.
Yeah.
Alston. Alston. We'll see how it goes here. Finally in 9:30 at night.
I'm not.
Oh, he's not down there. But, we are. See you over the hill somewhere.
Me in the van in 5.
See you in a bit.
Yep.
Good luck with the van, mate.
Yeah. I'm set for the good one. See you later. So the boys are set off. Day 2. The coast to coast. It's raining all day apparently. And they're not going to be on their own getting wet because, yeah. Oh, I'm going to have a wet day, a windy one with them. Well, that'll make them happy, I suppose. I've not got too far down the road and they stopped. Must be a breakdown. On that note, I'll nip into this garage. Gotta say, I feel for the boys now, it's absolutely tonking it down. Throwing it down. It's not the best in this valley either, but yeah, they're going for the tough one. So we're at crossroads here. What have we got? Carlisle that way, Penrith that way. One tank that way, down that road. So sat around waiting for them. I'm assuming they won't be coming down these roads. They'll be coming down that one there. Where that came down. But I'll be here when they do. Here they come now, the boys. Over the hill. Got Jimmy's leading the way. There we go. Nice journey.
Knows it, boyo.
Huzzah!
Hey. They're all coming in now. Easy.
Get him.
Oh, him? Yeah.
See that 20 mile, Michael?
Adios, amigos. All going. So that last section looked pretty good actually. Fine, van. Winter bikes will go for it pretty well. So should be some smiling faces. Look at this where I am. Battling Brook there. Beautiful. I'll got myself a nice sandwich. Coffee and a called a dad wrap. So hopefully the boys will stop with us here. We'll get something nice. Look at that. Beautiful. Stunning place. It's an hour now. Driving this van. hanging around all day for them lot. Starting to spit now, so might take a bit of cover. Warm up with a latte. Aren't I nice, eh? I've even found them somewhere to relieve themselves when they get here. I tell you. Perfect for this travelling like me, as long as I'm in a van and not on a bike. Here they come.
Yeehaw!
You get a perfect place down here, food and everything. Look. Got you a nice, oh, there's a nice spot there where I'm parked. Don't worry about it.
Yeah, man.
Go on. There he goes. Look at that, eh? Like flies around shit. Combination garden, Jimmy. There's your garden, Jimmy.
Get some coronation chicken. Yeah. You knows it. See you in a bit, Michael. See you in a bit.
See you in an hour and a half or something. Take a picture of your garden, Jimmy. There we go. Helps if you go the right way, boys.
You knows it.
Bye-bye. Oh, it's a tad windy up here, but it's nice. Look at that. This is our route to Cockermouth. Yep. That's the long old road. They're going to be coming down later. Right, well, that's where we're going. You can't see much, but a bit of a lake. I'll see if I can. Yeah, why not? Why not, eh? An event on there today. Beautiful part of the world. Here we come. Rocking into Cockermouth. There they are, the boys. Isn't that a pretty sight? My gang. Easy.
You knows it. Oh, here we go. Look at that.
Hey, I've been busy. It's not pretty. Right. The final stretch.
Right. 10 mile.
I'll see you in a bit.
Let's do it.
See you in a bit, mate.
Adios.
Adios.
Adios, amigo.
Easy. Don't know what took so long. The end line, Whitehaven Beach. We did it. On to the next journey.